In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom interface extensions in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, functional interface that turns your base data into a focused, easy-to-use workspace. First, head to Airtable in your browser. Once you're in the base where you want to build an interface, look for the app area in the left sidebar. This is where Airtable groups tools that extend your base. Click App to open that panel, then switch to Interfaces. Interfaces let you present your data with purpose. Think curated pages for viewing, editing, and navigating records without exposing every underlying field or view. Click New Interface to start fresh. Give your interface a clear, descriptive name. A good name makes it obvious who the interface is for and what it does. For example, content pipeline, submissions, or sales active deals. Consistent naming helps teammates find the right page fast. Next, choose an icon. Pick something that visually matches the purpose of the interface and choose a color that stands out just enough in the sidebar without clashing with your existing icons. Small visual cues go a long way when you have multiple interfaces. Click Next to move into Layout Selection. You'll see a chooser where you can pick how the page should be structured. Click in the Layout Picker area to make your selection, then choose List. The list layout is great for scanning many records at once, surfacing key fields, and drilling in as needed. It's ideal when your team needs a clear queue or a catalog-style view rather than a chart or a single record editor. Click Next to confirm your choice. Now select the source table for this interface. Choose the table that holds the records you want to display in your list. Projects, tickets, products, anything. If you're unsure, think about the table your team interacts with most for this workflow. Airtable will use it to populate the list and suggest fields to show. Finally, click Finish. Airtable will generate your new list interface and open it for you. You'll see a basic list populated from the table you selected with a starter set of fields. From here, you can preview how it feels to navigate, and you'll be ready to fine-tune presentation details later. Things like which fields to surface, sorting, or simple filters to match your team's needs. That's it. You've created a custom interface extension. You navigated to interfaces, started a new one, named it, gave it an icon, picked the list layout, selected your table, and finished. This gives your team a focused way to work with data without the noise of the full base.